Hi friend, this video I am going to show you change default browser on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's jump right in. First, take your phone, then open the settings. In the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom, find the apps or application option, tap to open it. After that, at the very top, located the choose default apps option, click on them. Here you can see all of the default apps listed there. Look at the top menu bar, find the browser app option, tap on it. Right now my phone set is to default Samsung browser. If you want to change them, if you decide to set another browser app such as Google Chrome, simply select the app, then hit the back button at the very top and automatically set it. However, keep in mind, if you don't find the Google Chrome browser app there, don't worry, this means this app not be installed your device. So install it fast. To do that, return to your home screen, open Play Store, use search bar feature, type Chrome. After that you can find the Google Chrome browser, simply install it, then easily set them your phone. That's it, you have successfully done. Thanks for watching.